These 3 AI tools are going to save you time, save you money, and help you run a great business. The very first one, I'm going to show you what we're going to use it for. Now, look at this. I'm on my YouTube subscription feed. What you want to do, go over to YouTube, go over to your channel, and hit the subscription button. Now, what's going to happen next is this tool, VidIQ, is going to pop up, and it's going to give you some fabulous information. Now, this is the key part. It's going to show you if you had remixed this video. In other words, you should be remixing this video and using it for your own purposes, kind of a thing. If you use it, it's giving you all of the data you'll need to pick a video that you should do next. Here's how. So you look at all these videos, it's telling you this one right here has 6.3K views. This one right here only has 39 views, 82 views. But now this next app is going to help us pull from these using some of what's already free. This stuff right here is absolutely free. VidIQ, you can get the free version of it. Of course, if you want to get the paid version, I'll leave a link for you in the description field. Either way, I'm going to leave a link. Grab it. It's going to be fantastic. Now, this next tool is going to show you how to take all of this information and then create some fabulous things you should be doing next. Now, this next app is called Merlin, right? Like, look at this. So I've already pulled it up and I've started asking Merlin some questions. Now, here it is. So the very first thing is I says, okay, take a look at all these videos and tell me which ones based on velocity, outlier status, and VidIQ remix status is most likely to become even more viral and that I should pay attention to. Exclude all sports, shorts, political, music, etc., etc. Right? So this tool right here, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you a little inside tip. If you click in this tool, it allows you to use different AIs. Look at that. GPT, GPT-40, best in class, Llama, Sonnet 3.5, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Claude Haiku. I already am on Claude 3.5 because it told me that this is the best one to use of all of them. Now, so I put it to the test, and here's what it did next. Check this out. All right, it says, based on the provided data, I'll analyze the videos focusing on AI, business startup, self-development, and money-making potential, because that's the area that I like to concentrate on. So then it did this. Look at this. It gave me all of this good stuff here. I built a business in 54 minutes using AI. All right, wait a minute. That's one I should do. I like this guy, and it's the kind of content that I like to do. All right, YouTube releases a report on how to go viral in 2025. All right, VidIQ did that one. That's great. Give me some good information, right? All right, so now it's going down the line. How I earn $10,000 a month using email marketing. This is a good one because I do classes and courses, and I do a lot of stuff around email marketing. All right, so DeepSeek, all right, that's the brand new Chinese-made AI that's causing all kinds of problems, right? Probably look at your 401k. It's all messed up because guess what? The market went down like that because DeepSeek says, hey, we'll put it out there. It's cheap. You know, start using it. Kind of sounds familiar, right? TikTok. Okay, anyway. So then it's also talking about meme coins. So now I don't do anything in this space, so I'm going to skip that. But then I decided to ask it a different question. Based on your answer, which video could I emulate or create the next kind of video likely to garner as much traffic as these? This is the key, everybody. So now this one right here, it then shows us this, right? Based on the analysis, here are strategic video concepts you could create that have high viral potential inspired by the successful patterns. That's what we want to see. This tool right here is game changer, everybody. Look at this. AI Business Creation Series title concept. I built $1,000 a day business using these 5 AI tools. Okay, that's not too bad, right? And then do a step-by-step walkthrough. Here's another one. AI tool optimization guide, title concept. The new ChatGPT update just changed everything. That's something, but it has to be some ChatGPT updates, right? All right, email marketing plus AI combination title, blah, blah. How I automated my entire email marketing using AI. Now that's interesting because this is a space that I already teach in, and this is something that I can do and teach next. So it's not only giving me ideas to do for a video, but it's also giving me ideas of what I could use to create additional content. Now that's something. Okay. So it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and it's going to help you do a good book of business. All right, now here's the next one. Look at this. I asked it to give me some AI prompt engineering for specific titles. These 7 AI prompts are generating $300 a day, so it's giving me some ideas, right? Clear, and it's telling me why. Clear numerical benefit, step-by-step tutorials, live demonstration, income proofs. I got all of that, right? So now this is something that I should probably be doing videos on. All right, now here's where it starts getting even more fun. Look at this. Here's a comprehensive breakdown for viral optimized content elements, thumbnail, image prompts. So it's telling me, because I asked it, I said, hey, listen, give me an idea of what the thumbnail should look like. And this next app is gonna, absolutely change your mind about how you're creating thumbnails. Look at this. Create thumbnails showing a shocked male entrepreneur in his, all right, let's look and see what it has next, in his casual outfit. So, okay, I like that one. That's interesting. So let's do this. Well, first, let's do this. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna look at some email marketing automation, split thumbnail design, AI tools revenue. Okay. All right. So look at this. It's giving me some text here. All right. I like this. Newest AI revolution from $0 to $5,000. All right. So that's a description. It's giving me some ideas. It's giving me some timestamps, all that kind of stuff, right? These are good things. Now, the next thing I asked was to give me some search keywords, because those become the things that we place inside of the video that then give us some search opportunities, right? Look at this. At the bottom, it's saying AI business, passive income, digital marketing, AI tools. All of these things, make money online, business automation, right? And these are probably highly searched type of things that people are looking for online. When they go to YouTube, they say, hey, give me this information. I want it. So now it's also saying, here are some of your primary keywords. Make money with AI business automation. These are things that people are searching for, everybody. So we want to grab some of these and then make sure that we put these into our description. We want to make sure that we put them into, if you're going to make a thumbnail, I'm going to show you here in a second how we're going to use a thumbnail maker that is out freaking standing. I'll leave you links to all of this stuff. But look at this. Here it is. Title formulas. I made 5,437. That's getting very, very specific. Using these AI tools. If you've done that, don't lie, right? So if you've done that, then you want to absolutely put that in. And then it's just title, pattern, elements, use brackets for emphasis. That's key. This is something that a lot of gurus won't tell you, to use brackets. You just notice that they get a whole bunch of stuff. Urgency words, new, just released, today, stuff like that. Expose, reveal, shocking. Remember to, and it's telling us some extra stuff. Now, I'm going to say this, right? Watch this. I'm going to say, okay, based on this, what kind of course or book create? All right. So now it's going to give us some additional information. I'm asking it a little bit more to give me more ideas, because what you want to do is take this information as you build out your outlines. As you start talking about this stuff, you want to be able to now add more things that then increase and help you run a good book of business, increase your income and help you run a good book of business. Look at this. It's telling me, based on trending topics of higher potential, here's a structured breakdown for both course and book concept. Course concept, AI business accelerator from 0 to 10,000 a month using automation. Okay, that's not too bad, right? You want to juice it up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to say something like this. So look at this. It's saying understand AI. It's a little stuff here. All right, so it's giving me some ideas there. Revenue generation model. All right, that's good. That's good. Book concepts. All right, that's what I'm looking at. The AI revolution business. Those are kind of. So let's do this. Let's say this. How about punch this up? All right, so we're gonna say punch these up a bit, right? Because we want it to be a little bit more punchy. And then we go ahead and do that. Now, while we're doing this, it's go ahead and running this information. Now we're gonna take some of these prompts. We're gonna go over to our last tool, and then we're gonna plug that in. All right. So it said that here are some things that we should put in our tool. This one right here, created thumbnail. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this information, and then we're gonna go over to another app for this tool right here. It is fantastic. So Pixel then is going to create the thumbnail that we desire. All right, so here it is. We've got it up. Now, we're gonna go ahead and plug in that we just copied, and it is going to then, it's a created thumbnail showing a shocked male entrepreneur in his 30s against a bright wall, blah, blah, blah. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to go to work. Sometimes it gets us close, and what I'll do sometimes is say, hey, this image is close, but not quite, and then I'll send it off to somebody that's using some different tools. But sometimes it will give us the exact thing that we want, and we use that thumbnail, and you save yourself a little money, you save yourself a little time, And again, because you're going to be able to apply this in so many different areas. If you've got some of my courses, if you've gotten over to some of my membership, and I am, showing you how to reproduce content. Okay, look at this guy, right? Not too bad. It's got a guy showing. Now, I may not want to put this dude in my stuff unless it's a faceless YouTube channel, right? If you have your face in there, then you want to swap out, do a face swap, and put your image in there. What I typically do though is I'll go over to Canva. That's another tool. I'll go over to Canva. I'll download this. Now this looks pretty good, right? Look at that. It's doing everything we want to do. It looks great. Everything is in place. It's got AI. It's got some tools here. It's got some money floating around. That's good, good, good. This guy looks real. If it's a faceless video, a YouTube channel, again, we could go ahead and use that. But in what we're going to do next, I'm going to give you a little bonus one, is we're going to go over to, we're going to download it. We're going to go over to Canva, and then we're going to plug it in and start doing some more magic. Now watch this. Already, I put it into Canva. This is a thumbnail size. We're going to go ahead and size it up a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, because I don't want that dude in there. I want to put myself in there because this is not a faceless channel. All right, so let's go ahead and hit edit here. And what happens next? It's nothing short of amazing. If you haven't seen some of these Canva tools, you got to get on it. What are you doing? All right, so I'm not going to use this one. Not going to use that one. I am going to use Magic Grab. Let's see. I think I'm going to use Magic Grab. Yep, that's the one I want. I want Magic Grab because it's going to allow me to take out this image. All right, so let's go ahead and hit Magic Grab and watch what happens. It's going to go over that, and it's going to basically ask you, what do you want to grab out? Now, this guy happens to be holding some money, and I'm going to say, okay, I want this dude out of there, right? So I'm going to say grab it, and it's literally going to take that dude out. And watch this. Look at this. He's gone. He's out of there. Right now, the only thing is that you see you got some little funky stuff in the background, so we might have to do something with that. But let's go ahead and get rid of this dude, right? So he's gone. Now the great thing about this app is you can change what you want to change. Remember, I says, okay, great. I thought I was going to go with this one, but I decided to change my mind because it just wasn't working out, right? I like that one, but it's got some wrong numbers, and for me to go ahead and change all that would have been a big old deal. So I went with this one. Now you see here, it's got some weird words in it, right? So we're going to go over to this app here, and we're going to change it. As you notice, I had it all changed. Look at that. 3 AI tools equal passive income. And now we download that, and we are ready to go. You have your thumbnail. It was done quickly. And now you can go on to, use these 3 AI tools to save time, save money, and do a good book of business. We'll talk to you in the next video.